Never lose track of a file again by mastering Dropbox's powerful file synchronization. The first step is to get the Dropbox desktop application. Head over to the Dropbox website and download the app for your operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. During the installation, you'll be prompted to log in to your existing Dropbox account or create a new one. Use your credentials to sign in. After installation, the Dropbox app will create a special Dropbox folder on your computer. Any files you place in here will automatically sync to your other connected devices. To customize syncing, open the Dropbox app from your system tray or Applications folder and go into Preferences. In the Sync tab, you'll see an option like Choose Folders to Sync. Click on this. This is where you can select which of your existing Dropbox folders you want to mirror on this specific computer. Deselecting a folder will stop it from syncing to this device, saving space. Now, let's see it in action. Simply drag and drop any file or folder you want to keep synced into your Dropbox folder. You'll see a small syncing icon next to it, indicating that Dropbox is working its magic. And that's it. Open the Dropbox app on your smartphone, tablet, or any other computer linked to your account, and you'll see that same file or folder perfectly up to date. This ensures you always have access to your latest versions, wherever you are. You can also log into your Dropbox account via a web browser to view and manage your files. The sync status is typically indicated with clear icons within the app and on the website, so you're always informed. Keep your digital life seamlessly synchronized and always have your essential files at your fingertips. Happy syncing!